As kids, we always wanted those spy watches that the kids used on Spy Kids or the Omnitrix on Ben 10. Little did I know that I would get to use both of them on the same device. My childhood dream is now a reality. Welcome back to Purvika. Today we check out the latest smartwatch, the Galaxy Watch 3. Samsung's latest might just be the best competitor to other smartwatches in this market right now. Here are 8 reasons to buy the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. Reason number 1. The design. This watch has been designed to function like an actual watch with the round dial. Unlike the boxy designs some of the other competitors offer, this feels very organic and intuitive to use. The rotating bezels have a click which is so satisfying. The leather strap and metal casing feels premium and classy. 2 clickable buttons provided are again as intuitive as the rotating bezels. Reason number 2. The IP68 waterproof rating. It can handle water. You can turn on the swim mode during a casual swim. The watch has a sturdy build and can last long. Reason number 3. One of the best tracking systems with several activities being tracked with amazing precision. The sleep tracking has to be one of the best we have seen yet with the highest of precision. Download the Samsung Gear app and the health apps for the best results of the tracking. Reason number 4. Supported watch apps can be installed like Spotify, camera controller, watch flashlight, etc. Spotify could be standalone on the watch without the support of your smartphone, but it requires a subscription. 8GB device with 1GB RAM will have approximately 4GB space to store your apps on the watch. Reason number 5. Easy access to settings with a drag down menu giving you control over brightness, various modes, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, earphones pair up, etc. The easy one-step process gives you immediate access to several things. Reason number 6. You can connect the watch to a standalone pair of Bluetooth speakers or earphones. This means you don't have to reach out to your mobile phone to access your music at a party. Reason number 7. Customization. The freedom to customize has been the biggest sell on Android products, and we see a part of it here. The watch faces customization available on the Samsung Gear app is incredible, where you can design your own watch face. You can even choose your own color combination to match with your clothes, etc. And the final reason is the battery life of almost 2 full days on continuous extensive usage. Here's a bonus point we think will be a big sell for you guys. The eSIM variant of Galaxy Watch 3. It will let you make calls and pick up calls as a standalone device. To conclude, we could find so many more reasons to love this device that is smooth and easy to use. But what had me sold, the moment I saw Snake 3310, I immediately installed it to play, and it brought back some very fond memories of the early mobile gaming, mobile arcade at its best. That said, what are your thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3? Let us know down in the comment section below. If you would like to experience this ultra-modern spy-like gadget that is straight out of the movies, click on the link below and head straight to Purvika website, where we have the best prices, 2-hour fast delivery and easy EMI options. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to follow us on all our socials. And yes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on that bell icon.